Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. I wanted to share a good representation of some of our products and then also some of the things with the lift on this truck. We ended up setting up the suspension on this. It's got a -12 on these wheels. And so we did a body mount chop on it. I'll share that with you here. You can see it back there, down in here. And then it was still, because these are -12, it's not too far outside here, but it was rubbing right here after our factory setting we do on these, which is 3 on the driver's side and 1 on the passenger side with our lower collars there. But after looking at the truck, because it has a Old Man Emu leaf pack, 2.5-inch Old Man Emu leaf pack in the back of it, medium load, we decided to go up a little bit more because we had the Camburg arms on it, and these are the 6112 front struts, and because we had a little bit more adjustment, and because these arms move the wheel back closer to the firewall, so the clearancing obviously was less. What we did then is we went up to 4 on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side instead of 3 on the driver's side and 1 on the passenger side. So we were able to get this car up a little bit higher. It's more even set from front to back now when you look at it, because it had a 2.5-inch spring. Now it looks pretty good. There's gonna be a 10 on the back of this, so it is gonna pull the back down a little bit. He's just gonna have a little bit of gear. Right now we're about a little over 1 inch higher in the rear, and you can kind of see that, but it'll kind of level itself out. He also tows a trailer behind it as well. So we put our Westcott Designs roof rack on this. We talk about this all the time, how tight our roof rack fits to the roof, down the sides, across the visor here. We're really trying to minimize the amount of airflow through it. We absolutely do not want any wind noise with our roof racks, and so that's one of the big focuses that we focus on is wind noise. Our aluminum sides here, our steel brackets here on the mounting points, and we do that when they're bent on a 90, and what we're doing is we're making this so it'll hold the maximum amount of downforce on our roof rack and fit really tight to the roof. So the sides are aluminum, the brackets are all steel, everything's powder coated. The steel brackets are primer coated, then we powder coated them to just make them hold up a lot better in the different environments. This also has a set of our 0-degree rock sliders on them. These are our MIG welded rock sliders, but here again you can see just the level of quality that we really focus on with our welds. You can just see the welds laid down here. We make sure that when we stack these dimes that they're stacked as good as they can be stacked. You would be surprised on the ones that don't pass our quality control. These are obviously dirty. They've been used as steps a bit, but these were on the truck before it got here. But we did these a little while back. So I wanted to share that with you. And you just see the welds back here, and there's our bottle opener that we do. But great representation of our products. Yakima's bed rack there. Old Man Emu rear leaf pack. RRW wheels. Nitto Ridge Grapplers here. 285, 75, 17s. So these are a little bit taller. 34-inch tire. Truck came out really, really good though. Looks just super clean, big, beefy. See the offset here. Share that with you. If you guys have any questions, I know people say, hey, can you articulate these things up on something so we can see how much the tire will go up into the wheel wells or how much turning radius you still have with them tucked up in there. Yeah, I guess like we could do some of that, more of that. Maybe we'll try to do some more of that. It's just I'm not sure that our customers want us out abusing their trucks or doing stuff with their trucks before they get to do with it as they want. Maybe we could just get some of them up on the wall just to show how much they do articulate. So hope you guys enjoy that. If you have any questions, anything at all, be happy to answer them for you. Thank you again for watching.